Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, we're putting the N-FAB pre-runner bar on the Nissan Titan, so let's get to it. When dealing with the bumper or anything like that, go ahead and unplug the battery. It's always safe, just in case there's airbag plugs or airbag attachments to the bumper. That way you don't blow your airbags inside your vehicle. Here we go. You can see why I'm replacing all this, all the dings and stuff on that chrome from the bull bar that was on it. Here's my new one. What's going on? N-FAB bar with all KC lights. And first you want to take the grill off. And when you get the grill off, you're gonna take a small blade screwdriver and get it right in there. Turn it and it'll pop out. There's 4 on the front. Some of mine were broken. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of mine were broken, so I may have to get some new of those. And there's 2 bolts here. I think they're 12 millimeter, and same over on the other side. When you go underneath, you're gonna have those right there. I think those are 12 millimeter. Everything's 10 and 12 millimeter so far that I've done. And unhook everything, your fog lights and any other wiring. Next, I have all of these bolts up in here that I gotta get off. And we'll see where we're at once I get those off. All right, bumper's off. Let's get the new one on. Here it is on, not set in place yet, but it's on. It's got 2 bolts in it, that's about it. This only took a little over 2 hours and was basic wrenches and stuff, and that was with pulling off the old Weston damaged bull bar. So this is pretty easy stuff. Looks pretty dang good too. So far I like the N-FAB pre-runner bar. It looks great. I haven't wired it yet. When I do that, I'll put out a video for that. And this Nissan Titan's coming together. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting down below, and let me know what you want to see. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her up wet.